Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Lindsay. So I'm so excited. I'm filming on my new camera. If you guys missed my birthday vlog, Morris got me a camera for my birthday, so you'll have to go back and watch that. But it's amazing. The quality is so good. Hopefully the sound and everything is still good too. It might take me a little while to tweak with those things and kind of get them the way they should be, but I really love it. I am so excited to be filming on it. So today is November 11th and it's actually Veterans Day. So I have off work today, but anyways, I'm obviously in my car. I pulled up to the gym and I kind of wanted to do a little healthy day in my life vlog. I'm going to do a workout. I'm hitting legs, and then I'm going to do a pickup order from Target, and I'll do kind of like an updated grocery haul for you guys so you guys can see that, maybe get some meal ideas from that. And then I'm going to make a healthy breakfast as well when we get back, so I'll show you guys that. But yeah. Okay guys, I just got back from the gym. I'm really happy because I actually got to film. I was filming in our women's only gym, so I didn't get to show everything, but I think you guys got the gist. I did end up going back out to the regular gym and doing a couple other things, but you guys got to see most of it, so I was really happy about that. Wanted to show you guys really quickly what I was wearing to the gym. I pretty much wear like just a variation of the same thing every time to the gym. It's just what I feel confident in. So you guys already know I'm obsessed with this Amazon tank. Why isn't it focusing? Okay. I am obsessed with this Amazon tank. It's so good, so flattering. I leave the pads in and I size up to a medium. It's amazing. I will link it below for you guys. And then I did women's best leggings. These are super flattering too. So that's what I wore. And then I also was wearing my Adidas NMDs. I'll link those below as well. And then my hat is just Nike. I'm sure you can find a similar one on Amazon. But yeah, so that is what I wore. I am starving, so I'm going to make a little healthy breakfast and I'm gonna take you guys along and hopefully give you guys some inspo for a meal. Okay guys, time to make a little breakfast. I am starving, so what I'm going to be making is protein waffles. So these are a little bit lower in carb than a normal waffle and obviously higher in protein. So what you guys will need for this recipe is we will still be using actual pancake slash waffle mix. This is the Trader Joe's buttermilk pancake mix. You will need vanilla whey protein. I think if you tried to use any other flavors, it might turn out weird, so I would recommend vanilla unless you have like a cinnamon or something like that. And then you will need oat milk, almond milk, regular milk. If you're trying to do low calorie, you could just do water. And then we will be doing 1 egg. I am going to be throwing some frozen blueberries in mine. You could just keep it plain. You could add chocolate chips. You could do banana, whatever you want. And then I'm going to be doing a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla. These are actually optional. I don't think they're necessary. They just add a little bit of flavor. So we're gonna do 1/4 cup of the mix, and the regular serving size is 1/2 cup, so we're just going to be halving this. The macros are 210 calories, so we'll be doing 105 calories. The carbs are 40, so we'll be doing 20, and then 5 protein, so 2.5 protein, and then 2.5 fat, so we'll just be getting like 1 gram of fat. So we'll do 1/4. Okay, kind of make sure that's level. And then we're going to be doing 1 scoop of the whey protein, and 1 scoop is 25 grams. So this is kind of the main character in the entire recipe because we want to make sure after our workouts we're getting protein. So do 1 scoop, and we use the dimetized whey protein, and I have actually been really liking this protein. I think it tastes a lot better than a lot of the other ones. And then for eggs, we'll just do 1 egg. And obviously you could like sub out the egg or just not even do egg or do oil or whatever if you didn't want to have egg in it. And then let's do just a couple of the blueberries. This I just kind of eyeball and just get in there as much as I want. Do a little splash of vanilla. Okay, that's just for taste. And then I realized we're out of this thing is out of cinnamon, so I'm gonna grab some cinnamon really quick. Okay, luckily we had one of these little ones that I could still use. So sprinkle a little bit of that in there. And then we're gonna start out with a 1/4 cup of liquid, and then if the mixture seems to be too thick, we can add in a little bit more, but I just want to start small and then add in as I go. Okay, so everything is in there. I'm gonna mix it up. So 1/4 cup of liquid is looking actually perfect. So I think the ratio is kind of like if you were making this for 2 people, you could do 1/2 cup of mix, 1/2 cup of liquid. Let's go take it over to the waffle iron. Alright guys, so the waffles are done. They look really, really good. I added half of a banana on top, and again with this you could add any toppings that you want. We're basically out of fresh fruit. I'm doing a pickup Target order today, as I told you guys, so I just did bananas, but I probably would have done strawberries and berries as well. And then this is the syrup that I use. It's the light Aunt Jemima. It just has 50% fewer calories than a regular syrup, and I think it still tastes basically the same. You could also do sugar-free, or you could just do regular, whatever you want. So I'm going to add some of this on top and go enjoy.